Sean and Tammy Durham present 52 Sacramento Avenue, Beechboro. Bring your imagination and see the potential of this freshly painted 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom family home sitting on an approximate 703 square metre sub-dividable block zoned R20-50. The existing home features a large front lounge room with a phone point and new carpet, an open-plan main living area with wood-look vinyl flooring and a kitchen with electric cooking and a view to the backyard. The master bedroom is king-sized and bedrooms 2 and 3 are double bed-sized rooms. All rooms have telephone points and new carpet. The bathroom is complete with a shower in bath combination and a vanity with 2 doors and 2 drawers. Outside has a very spacious colourbond entertainment area with a large backyard, a number of fruit trees, a huge enclosed games room, as well as side access to drive your car straight through. The front yard also has a large mango tree and lawn. For more information or for a personal viewing, contact Sean on 0411 577 920 or Tammy on 0403 123 925.